फ्रेंड्स, आज हम पढ़ेंगे चैप्टर नंबर 3 लीनियर इक्वेशंस। General form of linear equation is in this type, just like a1x plus b1y plus c1 that is equals to 0. Second equation, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. Sorry. A, B, C are real numbers and x and y are variables. Clear? Linear equations can be solved by two methods. First method is graphically. And second method is algebraic. Graphically भी three types. First type is intersecting line. Second method is coincident line. And third is parallel line. And algebraic method also three types. First is substitute method. Second is elimination method. And third is cross multiplication method. Exercise 3.1. Exercise 3.1 is depend on a graphically method. So we know about intersecting line, coincident line and parallel lines. पहले हम ये समझ लेते हैं कि एक्चुअल में ये क्या होता है, उसके बाद हम चैप्टर स्टार्ट करते हैं. फर्स्ट है intersecting line. That is a graph. Clear? There is one L1 and L2, two types of graphs. They intersect. So this is a intersecting line. How can we possible intersecting line? When equation a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2 and not equal to c1 upon c2, then we found intersecting line. In intersecting line, one or a unique solutions. And these equations are also known as a coincident equations. Clear? Second is coincident line. When two line, that is a one line, and second is other in coincident. So this line is coincident line. In this type of equations, a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2 and equals to c1 upon c2. So they have many solutions or infinite solutions. Third type of parallel lines. In graph, we found parallel lines. They are a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, but this not equal to c1 upon c2. Clear? So they are no solution, and no solution, so this also known as a inconsistent equation, which have one or unique solution or many solution. They known as a consistent equations, and which they have no solutions, they known as a inconsistent equations. Now we start question number 1. Now we start from question number 1. 10 students of class 10 took part in a mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is a 4 more than the number of boys, find the number of boys and girls who take part in the quiz. Question number first. Total number of students, that is equals to 10. There, let us number of boys equals to x and number of girls, that equals to y. So first equation is x plus y equals to 10. Clear? Next, girls and boys. If the number of girls is a 4 more than the number of boys, girls is y and boys is x, when we balance, then we take plus 4 in boys. So equation is y equals to x plus 4, that is equation number 2. Put the value y in equation 1. X plus y equals to 10, x plus 4 equals to 10, 2x plus 4 equals to 10, 2x बराबर 10 minus 4, that equals to 6, 2x बराबर 6, x बराबर 6 by 2, 2 1 जा 2, 2 3 जा 6, that is x equals to 3. Put the value x in equation 2. y बराबर x plus 4, y बराबर 3 plus 4 equals to 7. So number of boys equals to 3 and girls are 7. Next question. 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost rupees 50, whereas 7 pencils and 5 pens together cost rupees 46. Find the cost of the 1 pencil and the 1 pen. Question number 2. Cost of each pencil. Suppose this is x and cost of each pen, suppose this is y. So first equation is their pencil is 7. Sorry, pencil is 5 and pen is 7. So pencil is 5x and pen are 7y, and they both cost are 5x plus 7y equals to 50 rupees. If the pencils are, this equation is 1. If pencils are 7 and pen are 5, then pen cost of pencils are 7x and pen cost is 5y. So second equation is 7x plus 5y equals to 46. That is second question. Second equation. Now we'll calculate the each. Now we calculate the cost of pencil and pen. 5x plus 7y equals to 50. 7x plus 5y equals to 46. We multiply upper equation by 7 and lower equation by 5. 7 5s are 35x plus 7 7s are 49y plus 350. 5 7s are 35x plus 5 5s are 25y equal, and 46 into 5 equals to 230. Subtract lower equation, that equals to 0. 24y equals to 120. Y equals to 120 divided by 4, that equals to 5. Now put the value of y in equation 1. 5x plus 7y equals to 50. 5x plus 7 into 5 equals to 50. 5x 35 equals to 50. So 5x बराबर 50 minus 35 equals to 15. 5x equals to 15. x बराबर 15 divided by 3. 3 5s are 15. 5 3s are 15. x बराबर 3 means cost of pencil equals to 3 rupees and cost of pen is 5 rupee. Question number 2. On comparing the ratios of A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2 and C1 upon C2, find out whether the lines representing the following pairs of a line equation intersect at a point, parallel or coincident. Question number 1. 5x minus 4y plus 8 equals to 0. 7x plus 6y minus 9 equals to 0. A1 upon A2, A1 upon A2, that is 5 upon 7. B1 upon B2 equals to minus 4 upon 6. C1 upon C2 equals to 8 upon minus 9. A1 upon A2 not equals to B1 upon B2 not equal to C1 upon C2. So this intersect at a point in a graph. Second question. 9x plus 3y plus 12 equals to 0. 18x plus 6y plus 24 equals to 0. A1 upon A2, 9 upon 18, 9 1 is 9, 9 2 is 18, 1 upon 2, 3/6 B1/B2, 3 1 जा 3, 3 2 जा 6, C1/C2 equals to 12/24, 12 1 जा 12, 12 2 जा 24. A1/A2 equals to B1/B2 equals to C1/C2, that equals to 1/2. A1/A2 equals to B1/B2 equals to C1/C2 equals to 1/2. All are equal, so it has a coincident line in a graph. Third question. 6x plus 3y plus 10 equals to 0. 2x minus y plus 9 equals to 0. A1/A2, 6/2, 2 1 जा 2, 2 3 जा 6. B1/B2, 3/-1, minus 3 minus 1, there is a minus 3y. Minus minus cancel. C1/C2 equals to 10/9. There A1/A2 equals to B1/B2 but not equal to C1/C2. So this is parallel line. It has parallel line in a graph. Next question. Question number 3. Question number 3. First question. Question number 3 is on comparing the ratios of a A1/A2, B1/B2 and C1/C2. Find out whether the following a pair of a linear equation are consistent or inconsistent. You know now, consistent means unique solution or infinite solution. Inconsistent means no solution. First question is 3x plus 2y equals to 5. 2x minus 3y equal to 7. A1/A2 equals to 3/2. B1/B2 equals to 2/-3. And C1/C2 equals to 5/7. There A1/A2 is not equal to B1/B2 is not equal to C1/C2. So there has one solution. So it is a consistent equation. Second question. 2x minus 3y equals to 8. 4x minus 6y equals to 9. A1/A2, 2/4, 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4. C1/C2, B1/B2 first. B1/B2 equals to minus 3/-6, 3 1 जा 3, 3 2 जा 6. And C1/C2 equals to 8/9. There A1/A2 is equal to B1/B2. But not equal to 8/9. So they have no solutions. So it is inconsistent line. Clear? Third question. 3/2x. 3/2x plus 5/3y equals to 7. 9x minus 10y equals to 14. A1/A2. 3/2/1/3. 3 1 जा 3, 3 1 जा 3. That is 1/2. Sorry, there is 9. 3 3 are 9. 1/3. B1/B2 equals to 5/3 3 into 1 upon 10. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. 7 upon 14. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. There is 1 upon 6 minus 1 upon 6 equals to 1 upon 2. A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2 is not equal to C1 upon C2 because it has a one solution. So this is consistent equation. Question number 4. 5x minus 3y equals to 11 minus 10x plus 6y equals to minus 22. A1 upon A2 equals to 5 upon minus 10. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. B1 upon B2 equals to minus 3 upon 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, minus 1 upon 2. C1 upon C2 equals to 11 upon minus 22. A1 upon A2 equals to B1 upon B2 equals to C1 upon C2. Because they are equal, so they have infinite solution. So this is consistent equation. Question number 5th. 4 upon 3x plus 2y equals to 8. 2x plus 3y equals to 12. A1 upon A2. 4 upon 3 into 1 by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 means 2 by 3. B1 upon B2 equals to 2 upon 3 and C1 upon C2 equals to 8 upon 12. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. A1 upon A2 equals to B1 upon B2 equals to C1 upon C2. They are equal, so this is also consistent equation. Thank you guys.